Festival today. This is also going to be uploaded as a video as well, so I'm not just sort of talking to myself. But Baguio Flower Festival, I didn't even know this was going on. I turned up to Baguio yesterday, and it's kind of like a massive celebration going on.
Color guards from the Philippine Military Academy. And of course, escorted by a platoon of cadets from the premier military school in Asia, the Philippine Military.
I don't know if people are stopping you from going through here or what. You can walk through here, maybe? Yeah, very cool event. I think it's kind of bringing cultural Philippines to kind of a modern Philippines. Modern Philippines. I really don't know an awful lot about it, in all honesty, as I had no idea that it was actually going to be happening, but it's pretty cool.
We would like to acknowledge, of course, the lead band, St. Louis University High School and College.
If anyone knows who any of these important people are, feel free to let me know in the comments, because I don't have a clue.
May we now request Honorable Congressman Marquez Gold, Honorable Mayor Benjamin Magalong, Mayor Faustino Oloan to please join Board of Trustees of the Baguio Flower Festival Foundation Incorporated.
Yeah, sorry guys, my internet is absolutely terrible if it keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. So as far as I'm aware, the Flower Festival is on for a month. There's different competitions, landscaping competitions, and you know, I assume like flower monument competitions. But this is like the grand opening parade.
All right, if they're ready, on my cue, in 3, 2, 1. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, the Panagpagas Games are the landscaping competition and presentation is now officially open. May we request once again our local government officials to please proceed to the Baguio Blooms area for the formal opening of that activity of the Baguio Flower Festival 2025. Of course, we'll be expecting you to join us right here on stage in a little while. So once again, passing right in front of us, palakpakan po natin ang St. Louis University High School and College.
Very cool.
Band. Yan po ang ating lead band sa ating opening day parade. So mamaya po, mga kasama po natin ang ating mga local government officials. They were just diverted for a few minutes for the formal opening of Baguio Blooms or Market and Counter. Kasama po nila siyempre ang ating mga Board of Trustees ng Baguio Flower Festival Foundation Incorporated. And mamaya, i-acknowledge natin yung ating mga city government officials. For the meantime, palakpakan po natin ang SOCMO, or the Society of Outstanding Citizens of Baguio. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's try and go back to the parade square bit and see what we can see going on. But if you're wondering, this is Burnham Park. I don't actually know an awful lot about Baguio. As I said, it's my first time here. I arrived yesterday. All I know is it's bloody cold compared to the rest of the Philippines, but it's first impressions are really, really good. I've got a few videos planned here, so make sure to like the stream. It really helps out. Subscribe if you want to see more videos in Baguio and all over the Philippines. I'm going to be covering a fair bit of this flower festival if I can. And yeah, just having a general mooch about. This is where it's kind of all going on.
Headed, of course, by no less than our City Tourism Officer, Engineer Aloysius Alec Mapano. Right behind him, let us welcome the members of the Baguio Tourism Council. Headed by its chairman, Ms. Gladys Vergara, we have Ms. Aurora Alambra, Pam Carino, Wilson Bumayen.
See, I think this is where the parade actually ends. Starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's now about 10 past 9. And Burnham Park, I think, is the final end.
Please Major Kurt Pacificar. Baguio City Tourism Council. There you go. Thank you very much. And of course, we have the Board of Trustees of the Baguio Bar Festival Foundation Incorporated, Attorney Mauricio G. Dumagan, the Chairman, President.
Yeah, I had no idea what to expect of this festival, this grand opening, as I really had no idea it was coming on. I didn't plan to come to Baguio for it, so this is kind of a stroke of luck. But as far as I'm aware, it's a pretty big event in Baguio in the Philippines, so I'm pretty happy to be here.
Baguio Bar Festival Foundation Incorporated. Siyempre kasama po natin ang ating Parental Landscaper Society, Wood, Rock, and Flowers Group. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And yan po yung kanilang mga works of art na makikita niyo po just around the Belwin Jones Grandstand. We have the Taugama B Baguio City Chapter. Palakpakan po natin sila. And right behind them, of course, kasama po natin ang ating samahan mula po sa 122nd Naval Combat Support Squadron Reserve, headed by Lieutenant Giuseppe Ruth Toledo. The 122nd Naval Combat Support Squadron Reserve Search and Rescue Team, and the trainees of the PCMC Class 2020. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Hotel and Restaurant Association of Baguio. First to enter, from Baguio, Baguio Country Club. The first and only 5-star mountain resort in the country that gives 7-star service. So palakpakan po natin sila. Leandro Yama Jr. Honorable Councilor Vladimir Perales, Honorable Councilor Miguel Marinas, the Chairman of the Bar Festival Foundation Incorporated, Attorney Mauricio G. Dumagan. We have Honorable Councilor Benny Bumogao, and of course, our Muay Thai champion, Ismael Bumogao, of 1XC. We have Honorable Vice Mayor Faustino Oloban, Honorable Councilor Brett Barbagan, Honorable Chancellor Isabelo Cosalan, and Honorable Chancellor Maximo Edwin. El Chelito, palakpakan po natin sila. Sila Bart, ang General President Association of Baguio. Honorable Chancellor Art Alamiu, magandang umaga po sa inyo. And we also have Mike Rotel by Willa Baguio. And of course, the Plaza Hotel. How about a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Also joining us from the opening takeaway Luxury Suites Baguio. Administrative Region. Thank you very much. Salamat po mga kaibigan mula po sa Department of Education, Schools Division of Baguio City. Thank you very much. Mula po sa Bubo Central Elementary School, La Union.
Pero
Ladies and gentlemen, passing right in front of us, palakpakan po natin mula po sa La Union, ang Tubo Elementary School.
Raisen!
Jadi macam ni habat.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang University of the Corps de Guerreras Air Force Reserve Officers Training Corps. And right behind them, how about a big hand for the Baguio's bravest, the Baguio City Fire Station, headed by our City Fire Marshal, Fire Superintendent Marisol Hernandez Oliver. Globe Telecom, Jollibee, Smart Communications, Bank Inasal, PLDT Home, Pepsi Philippines, GCash, Power Back Center, Pixel Hub Design and Digital Agency, Baguio Professions and Visitors Bureau, Hotel and Restaurant Association of Baguio, Baguio Country Club, Shopping, Bixby Wonder, Ducky Panel Palm Oil, and Big Tourism. Ito po mga sponsors and partners para mga kasama natin mga participants dito po sa ating overview parade ng Baguio Flower Festival.
Obviously, you need the wheels on that one. We were having fun.
Paano pag nagtulak ako sa pin kanina?
fun outfits, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really cute. Obviously, they prepared for this. Mainly how to support the parents. I appreciate how to support the parents.
Ladies and gentlemen. As mentioned earlier, the Busog kailangan yung tandaan mga dates as highlights of the 29th Cantonal. And for those of you wondering, we have a Grand Street Parade and Grand Gold Parade. We'll be having on February 22, 2, and 23. And on February 24, ako mas i-depot ang ating festival in blue.
Puro doon mga trail lang. Kapan ng presinan?
Number 5.
Huh?
There's still a number 5.
Hmm.
Right here. Second line. That's the end. The tribal.
So ladies and gentlemen, we're also in this year's celebration of the Baguio Flower Festival with the theme costumes, with boundaries. On February 9th, we're going to do the music of Baguio. February 13th, the Queen, the Big Bang Grand Open at Home Party. February 15th, the band will take the final competition. This
Wow, these guys are cool.
On February 22 and 23, it's the Grand Street Dance Parade and the Grand Boat Parade. On February 24, the school-based landscaping competition. February 24 to March 2, the Section of Blue. And on February 27, the Football Parade. February 28 to March 1, and go on the Lempula Flower Team Golf Classic. And we follow closely and the awards directories on the 29th Baguio Flower Festival will be on March 2. It's truly capped by a spectacular fireworks display. We request everybody to please rise for the invitation.
May salang. Tapat-tapat kayo.
sure if that's the end. Might be the end. It definitely shows you how diverse the Philippines culture is. There's loads of different kind of cultural groups and different types of dances and different types of music and different types of instruments. It's really, really cool. I didn't expect this whatsoever. Apparently there's going to be a massive kind of like music, drum competition. That's who all the different groups are. I don't think I'm going to be able to get in there and actually film that though. Yeah. Surpassed the expectations by miles. I think there's more. How's it going?
The Dagu Cultural Group, the reservists from the Philippine Air Force, Pisao National High School Drum and Lyre.
There's got to be thousands of people in this parade in total, hundreds of different kind of organisations and dance groups. It's been going on now for over an hour. I don't know how long it's going to carry on going for, but there's a lot. I wonder if I can find out online how many different people actually partake in it.
The Pine Tree Dog Lovers of the Highlands, the Philippine Forest Dog Legacy, and sa ating mga volunteers sa mga Deltans, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. It is once again the season for blossoming as we formally begin the celebration of the 2025 Panandura the Baguio Flower Festival. To formally welcome us all this morning, please put your hands together and welcome with a warm round of applause the Honorable Vice Mayor of Baguio City, Honorable Vice Mayor.
Right, I think after that one, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. This will be uploaded as a video, so feel free to kind of go back and scrub it. Like the stream if you can, just helps it get out there. Subscribe if you want to see more videos of Baguio in the Philippines. I'm going to try and cover as much of this flower festival as possible. And yeah, I hope it's been a bit interesting. Nice one.